it's me, Bekesa, and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. Today is going to be a look and learn. I will come in and commentate if necessary. I'm so sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, but I wanted to get this video up for you. And this is still a part of our 12 days of Canvas series, and if you are loving the series, please let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to let me know any other videos that you might be interested in seeing, and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. So hit the like button right now before you forget. So I'm getting ready to add a little interest to the binoculars. So I'm going to add the glow effect, and I'm going to pick the same green color to tie in all of the design features. Then I'm getting ready to add this cool little design feature, this little spinning goal, I don't know what you call it, just to bring attention to the model's face. And then after I do that, I'm going to group everything together so I can move everything as one. Next, I'm going to add this gold background, and then I'm going to use the grid feature or graph. I can't remember which one it is called at this time, and I'm going to use that as the basis of my calendar. And if you want to know how I did the last calendar, I do have another video showing how I made another similar calendar flyer. So I'm just positioning everything to my liking. So I'm going to add that grid, and then I'm going to select the 3 dots so that I can add more columns so that it'll have 7 days for 7 days of the week, of course. And then I'm just going to finesse it and change out the colors to match our branding. And yeah. And I'm gonna grab this element, and I believe it's called a planner binder ring. And I'm just using it to give the illusion of the calendar having holes or having an actual binder, just to make this graphic look a little bit more realistic. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, go ahead and hit the like button. And I'm just trying to figure out what font I want to use because I'm so indecisive. Don't be like me. So I'm just going to get ready to add the rest of my text and change up the fonts and change up the effects. And I did use the hollow effect, and I think I might have put it on number like 8 for my hollow effect. And the words at the bottom, I did use the curve effect so that it could play off of the circle and mimic the shape, so that way everything fits a little bit more cohesive. And since we're going with a January calendar, I'll be adding design elements to reflect New Year's. So yeah. I thought it was cute to add the little times so we could just manifest clients into the future. So I think this is a cool manifestation flyer calendar. Maybe I should have named it that. And I just wanted to make a quick shout out to my daughter Satise for making the background music for me. So copyright who, copyright where? Well, and we're almost finished with the flyer. I'm just doing a few little finishing touches. You could do less, you could do more. And let me know down in the comments, what are you trying to manifest for next year? Don't forget to save the video so you can come back to it when you need a little bit of inspiration. And thank you for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.